इनका पसंद क्लीनर्जी धीरा धीरा।
Thank you so much for congratulating me. I want to thank Honorable Governor Sir for giving me this opportunity and Government of Odisha for giving me this opportunity of to serve as the first female ADC to the Honorable Governor. And for me professionally, it is a good position of responsibility as it will give me a lot of exposure, and also serving a constitutional authority gives me a sense of immense pride as well as a sense of responsibility. Personally also, it's a big milestone for me because I'm the first woman ADC to Honorable Governor Sir, and I think it will inspire a lot of women out there and young girls out there to take the path of public service and don't feel afraid of pursuing anything in their life.
How did you react when you learned about that your appointment as to this prestigious role?
My reaction, I felt very grateful, and I had a sense of gratitude and also a sense of responsibility towards the new role I will be discharging, and I'm looking forward to it.
And do you see this appointment as a milestone for greater representation of women in leadership and protocol?
Yes, definitely. I hope that through my appointment, young girls and women out there feel inspired and confident that the sky is the limit for them, and they should not ever feel that anything is hindering them from achieving their aims and objectives in life. So I hope that even if a single girl gets inspired to don the uniform one day, I will be very happy about it.
Last question would be, as the first woman to hold this position in Odisha, what's your message to give your young women aspiring to join this police services?
As I said before, that sky is the limit for you. Don't let anyone tell you what is the limit of your dreams and how long or how far can you reach. So just have confidence in yourself, and you are better than you think. So just be committed to yourself, and you will reach whatever you want to in your life. Thank you.